So I just got myself a little toy, new one. Comes with a warning, button batteries. Anyway, I've been searching for something like this for a long time, because hopping in and out of the car when you're travelling on your own is a pain in the ass to find out if your van is level. So I did a bit of a search and I found this company called Elam Apps. So I contacted Paul from Elam Apps and had a chat with him and said, I'm looking for something, but I'm also looking for prizes for the Big Red Bash for raising funds for the Royal Flying Doctors and juvenile diabetes. So he said, not a problem, I'll give you two. I said, sweet, I'll buy one. So I bought one as well. And they're a very compact little thing. That's front, obviously the logo on there, power button on the bottom, and you stick it on your van and you calibrate it, and it talks to your phone through the Elam app and Bluetooth. So you can set it up for your ramp height, all sorts of stuff there, so it can tell you if you can even get level before you've done anything. And yeah, so I'm just going to install it now. So this little unit here, basically you've got to set it up reasonably flat, I'm guessing. It does have a front, so you need to make sure that that's pointing towards the front, and it comes with 3M tape to stick it down. So the location that I've chosen is just next to the fridge slide in here. So if I peel that off and stick that right there, gives me easy access to the power button on the back of it, and I can see the light on top, and it's not going to get in the road of anything because the fridge slide just comes in and out over the top of it. I've put it reasonably close to the front of the van because, as a lot of people know with these vans, they can be quite well insulated and Bluetooth doesn't travel around so far. So yeah, I've put it in there. It comes with 2 Bluetooth settings, so it's got a low power which uses less battery and a high power that uses more battery. So I'm hoping in that position, when I'm hooked up to the car with the door for the fridge slide shut, that I can yeah, still get signal on low without using too much battery. And really you just set it up to get the level when you stop and then turn it off when you're done. So it shouldn't use too much battery at all. So what I'll do from here, I'll turn the device on, hold the button, 4 flashes of the blue light there, that means Bluetooth's going. Open up the app, a few location settings, and it's found an Elam Level. So I want to connect to that. Right, so now I want to calibrate. Okay, I know my van's level at the moment, so I will calibrate, which sets everything at 0. And that's it. Everything's level. So if I drop my jockey wheel now, the front will go down, the back will go up. But yeah, seems a very simple system. You can set it hitch height, so you can have it at the right height when you're backing your car up. And you can set your ramps as well. So yeah, if we go to hang on, sorry, settings, and yeah, you can set the axle length of the trailer, your jockey wheel axle length, your ramp height, how long you want it to time out on connection. So if it's no, you're not connected for 10 minutes, then it turns off. And as I stated earlier, the high power, low power for your transmit power. But yeah, seems to be a very simple system. And massive thanks for Paul, and he's given us a discount code as well for anyone that wants one of these. Will give you a percentage off any of the devices in there. So I've gone with the version 2, and that covers basically cloud backup, or you go to version 1, which doesn't give you the cloud backup. So if you change your device or change anything, then you need to reset everything and recalibrate. But yeah, this is simple.